stretch. That's it.
That's the one with the frozen shoulder.
Yep.
Oh.
You feel that?
Yeah.
A little painful in there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's bring it down. Okay, and relax it. Okay. And just relax the other side. Okay, we're going to do a little tapping inside there. Nice and easy. You're just going to feel a little tapping in there. Good. Ears also. Good. Good. Teresa, put this behind your back one more time if you can. I know it's tight. Yep, I realize it. It's a little tight. I want to move the shoulder a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, bring it back down. The other one, same thing. Put this one up. Easy, easy. Good. This is much easier, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel that. Good, let's bring it back down and just relax, easy. Good. Okay, this is just going to go up and down like that. It's not going to hurt. Just like that. And again. And here. Middle. And we're going to feel it here. I want you to breathe in really deep and breathe all the way out. Let it go. Good. Easy. Easy. Just breathe easy. Okay. And just relax. Nice. No, relax easy. Relax your head. I'm going to lean to the side, nice and easy. Just going to come like this. A little bit more. No, relax. I'm going to I just want to stretch a little bit inside. That's it. Okay, nice and easy. I'll go real slow. Going to stretch to the end. Yeah. And I just want you to breathe. There we go. That was easy. Come back here. Good. Yep, good. Very good. Okay, let me take this right here and just relax. Keep your eyes closed. Nice and easy. Okay. I'm going to bring you here and slide you a little towards me. That's perfect. Good. Now just relax your arm for a second. Good. Here's your finger.
You good?
Better, yeah? Good. And just relax your arm. Okay, so you have this frozen shoulder. I'm going to just try to move it a little bit. Good. So I just want you to relax it. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. That's perfect. Good. And I'm just going to go up with it. And just relax. Maybe a little pull. Just gotta let it go. Too much?
No.
Good. Nice and easy. Right, that's where it's tight. Right there. Good. Good. Breathe easy. And come down. Okay, come down. There we go, up like this. This is easy. You turn our arm out like that. And now we go down. Yep. Good. Much better. You go up like this. Relax the arm. Stretch. Very good. Turn out like this. And now we go down. Good. We're going to do it 2 more times. You go up like this. Easy. Stretch. Stretch. Go out. And come down. Good stretch. Good stretch. Last time. You come up. All the way down. Push out. Yeah, feel that? Good. Very good. Yep. And hold here. Good. Good. Relax your hand here. Good. Just gonna check here. Just as easy. No problem here, right? Good, no problem. No problem. Good. So that was good movement. Okay, and now let's relax here. Good. Just breathe easy. Adjustment here. Move your hair a little bit. Okay, that's fine. That's easy. Good. Do a little gentle stretching here. A little bit more. That's it. Just want to stretch. That's it. Come back here. Okay. How was that?
Very good.
We're going to do one more. We used the therapy for 15 minutes. That was a long time. Yeah, and it was pretty strong. And one more here. That's why I want you to do that home exercise. Okay, we do one more here, right there. And just relax easy. No, just relax easy. Good. And just do a gentle stretch. A little bit more. Right inside there. That's where it's tight. Good. A little bit more. Just let that go. That's it. How are we doing? Okay? Okay. Alright. So we can have a before and after picture of you. Good. I want you to breathe in real deep. Breathe all the way out. And just let it go. Nice and easy. just relax here. Then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.